Good Monday morning, and thanks for logging on to TDSweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Indiana forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures that are into the mid-20s to the low 30s across the area. Dry conditions in place this morning, and for today, expecting a dry day of weather across the area. So as we work on into the next couple of hours here, not too much going on this morning as we work on into 9, 10, 11 a.m. on into noon. You can see any kind of precipitation out to our west this morning. As we continue through the afternoon into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, could be a couple isolated showers or sprinkles into the far northern stretches of the state, back up towards South Bend, Elkhart, Goshen, and maybe back down towards Fort Wayne this afternoon after 3 to 4 p.m. But really, those aren't going to be anything real special. Like I said, just maybe a light shower or a sprinkle. We'll see partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies across the state here today. Probably more sunshine into more southern stretches of Indiana. As we work into 7, 8, 9 o'clock this evening, dry weather's in place here across the area this evening on into tonight, and will be cloudy to mostly cloudy overnight tonight. Now, as we start to work into the pre-dawn hours tomorrow into 4, 5, 6 a.m., you can start to see some scattered areas of showers. This may be a little bit excessive on the coverage, but nonetheless, I do think we'll see scattered showers into those pre-dawn hours across Indiana tomorrow, continuing into 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and we'll see isolated the scattered rain showers across the area through the morning into lunchtime. Most of this is pretty light, but there probably will be a few pockets of more moderate to heavy rainfall out there through the morning hours tomorrow. We continue into 1, 2, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, still seeing isolated to widely scattered showers, mainly across central and northern portions of the state at this point in time. But as we work into tomorrow evening and especially tomorrow night, the main area of low pressure starts to work on closer to the forecast area. So as we get into 8, 9, 10 o'clock here Tuesday evening, we're really going to see rainfall increasing across the area. Rainfall is going to be likely as we continue tomorrow evening into tomorrow night through probably midnight to 1 a.m. And then that main batch kind of moves on off. The area of low pressure starts to come up across Illinois and Indiana. So that will allow kind of a dry slot to move on in here. And we'll see some isolated shower activity overnight tomorrow night. And then as we get into 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock on Wednesday, activity picks back up again. And we see more scattered to widely scattered activity here, and there might even be a couple rumbles of thunder here early Wednesday morning as the main frontal boundary starts to push on through. And then as we work through the morning hours on Wednesday, I would expect this to remain mostly rain, but cold air does start to come on in here, and by lunchtime on Wednesday, we may start to see a little bit of snow mixing in with the rainfall across the area. I don't think we've turned over to all snowfall by midday Wednesday. I don't think we'll be quite cold enough at this point. But as you go certainly into late Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, this is by 7 p.m. You can see the NAM model here suggesting we're all snow. We could be mostly snowfall by by late afternoon, early evening on Wednesday into 6, 7, 8 o'clock, and continue with some snow showers on into Wednesday night, early Thursday before those exit the area, and then Thursday morning and drier conditions settle in. So a little bit of accumulating snowfall possible here Wednesday evening in through Thursday morning. I don't know that it's going to be all that significant, but certainly a little bit out there is possible. We take a look at rainfall amounts. This is through tomorrow evening. You can see 1/4 to 1/2 inch through late tomorrow evening, early tomorrow night, and then as we work through Thursday morning, anywhere from about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain can be expected. As far as snowfall is concerned, you can see out there not a whole lot of snowfall expected, but certainly we could see even a little bit more than this. I wouldn't be surprised if we see, widespread 1/4 to 1/2 inch of snow. Now, impacts of that may be kind of limited because we're going to be mild the next few days. In fact, today you can see low to mid 40s across the northern and north central portions of the state, with upper 40s to low 50s across central Indiana, and then we're into the lower 50s down to the south, low to mid 50s down to the south. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning will cool into the middle to upper 30s with low to mid 40s into western and southwestern Indiana. And then we head into the daytime hours tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a very mild day across the area, as many of us will be into the middle to upper 50s with even some 60s south of I-70. And as we have a look at the next 7 days, 50 today, and we will see sunshine through the daytime hours today, and then 59 tomorrow with a 50% chance of rain. We'll have rain changing over to a mix and probably snow Wednesday, and then into Wednesday night, ending Thursday morning with skies clearing. You can see 59 tomorrow, 52 Wednesday, but then down to 42 Thursday, back to 52 on Friday with some showers. Drier for the weekend and highs in the 40s. That's all I have for you here this morning. Thanks for logging on. Have a great day.